All right. Red laser light is incident on a double slit with a separation of 0.35 millimeters, right? So D is 0.35 millimeters, right? Double slit interference pattern is observed on a screen 2.4 meters away. So big D is 2.4 meters, right? The distance between successive maxima on the screen is 4.7 millimeters. 4.7 millimeters. Okay, so let's figure this out. Let's do this. Okay, S is lambda D over D. Yeah? So S is equal to calculate the wavelength of light. Okay, so we're solving for wavelengths. So 4.7 times 10 to the minus 3. I was like, oh, I'm solving for is lambda. Okay, and then D is 2.4 meters away. And then the slit separation is 0.35 times 10 to the minus third. All right, we can do this. It's going to be 4.7 E minus 3 times 0.35 E minus 3 divided by 2.4. And I get that it's 6.85 times 10 to the minus 7th, right, which is about 685 nanometers. Ta-da. Okay. Then it says, explain the change in appearance of the interference pattern when the red light is produced by one that emits green light, right? Well, red is a big wavelength, right? And green is smaller, right? And blue would, of course, be the smallest wavelength, the visible light, right? So if you look at this formula here, as the wavelength gets smaller, the distance on the screen also gets smaller. So the patterns get, the fringes get closer together, right? So I think the two marks here would be, say, well, green is a smaller wavelength, and according to this equation, we would get a smaller distance separating it, okay? Let's just take a look at that, okay? So here's our slit separation, and the slit separation is, let's try, no, it's not the slit separation we're changing. Let's run this thing. We can see that pattern on there, right? Okay, that's green light. Let's look at red light. Actually, let's measure this because this might be hard to measure, right? So there to there, that's our distance, right? Now let's put red light on there. Bigger wavelengths should have a bigger distance, right? And sure enough, the peak is way over there, right? It's like, whoa, it's more distance, okay? All right.